Hi everyone, welcome to the Amara Vida LLC YouTube channel. I wanted to show you how to bookmark so you can access files that you use and websites that you use quicker. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to two-finger click, I'm on a Mac, and I'm going to go into Add Folder. I'm going to create a fake folder, and you can see that it popped up right here. Now I can put things in this folder that I want to use. So I know that I'm currently working on my business logo. So I created that in Slides, which is another tutorial. I'm going to teach you how to do that. Definitely subscribe if you like this video. So here it is. So I'm going to open it up. It's going to give me a URL. I'm going to click on it, and I'm actually just going to drag it right down into my fake folder. So I'm going to go into a new tab. I'm going to click on fake folder, and look, it sends me right into my logo. So I didn't have to open up through my Google site or through my Google apps. So let's say that I want to move this folder that I created into another folder. I simply click on it and I drag it right over and I put it in there. And you can see it disappeared on here. And now I have it in there. And because it's a folder, I can actually put more into that one, and I can rename it as well. So let's say that I don't want this called fake folder. I'm going to two-finger click, and I'm going to click on rename. I'm just going to change it to delete later just for purposes of showing you how, and look at how easy that was. So I can drag these right on top of each other. I can leave it there. I can two-finger click, and I have all of these options as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and it's going to take less time out of your day to get started with all of the resources that you need by simply bookmarking. Let me know if you have any questions. Put a like if you like this video, and please subscribe. Thanks.